Poke 3 in the house. Let's open this up with you guys live on camera. It is very reflective because of the outer plastic. Yes, this is the way it will come when you order this in a retail environment. Now, you will see that this is the Poke 3 right there, 6-inch tablet. This thing is on its 3rd generation, 4th if you count the Poke Pro, so the Poke Pro 1, 2, 3. So this thing is very powerful. It is running Octa-Core processor with touchscreen and Android 10 with X mode. And if you're not sure what X mode is, you can check out our previous YouTube videos. But X mode basically allows you to play videos. So what that basically means is that the Poke 3, because we know that the Poke 2 was the fastest e-reader that is a dedicated e-reader, not a note taker, not a second screen, not a tablet, nothing. An e-reader, this doesn't have a Wacom layer or a note-taking layer or anything. The Poke line is the fastest e-reader on the market. It has the quickest refresh, has the quickest speed, it's the most capable. It's absolutely amazing for a sub $200 device. It's quite miraculous, actually. A lot of devices come out around that price point and all they can do is read books. The Poke, you can do everything. You get the user manual, you get the corresponding serial number, so you know that if you have to make a return, you got to hold on to that. And you have the USB-C cable. Now let's look at the device itself. This all looks amazing, and we will probably see the two-tone color because yes, it is right there. This is very indicative of the 3rd generation of the Onyx products. The Note 3, the Nova 3, the Air, and the Poke 3 will all have this two-tone color strip. It's very nice. This is a very nice shell. It's nice and light, but it's tightly built. You don't have any of that snap between the back panel and the PCB or the battery or anything. You have a power button up top, nothing on the sides, and the bottom you have your hard reset with your USB-C. Don't quote me if that's the hard reset. You can see we have one take. Well, we've unboxed this in one take, so I'm actually not sure if that is the status indicator or the nope, status indicator is up top with the power button. That is the hard reset right there. So this thing is one of the most capable e-reading devices. We have to kind of stress that because a lot of devices now are tablets, a lot are second screen monitors, a lot are e-ink smartphones, e-ink note-taking devices. So the e-reader has been something of a lost concept, but Onyx is keeping that well alive when bringing the fastest possible one to the table. This does have warm lighting as well, flush screen and bezel. It's absolutely beautiful. So if you guys want to see the full review video, stay tuned for that. For now, this is everything that comes in the box with the Poke 3. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.